Best robot vacuums of 2025. Roborock S8 Plus versus Roomba J7 Plus versus Ecovacs X1 Omni. If you're looking for the best robot vacuum in 2025, you've come to the right place. Today we're comparing three top contenders: the Roborock S8 Plus, the Roomba J7 Plus, and the Ecovacs Debit X1 Omni. Each has its own strengths and weaknesses, and by the end of this video, you'll know which one is right for you. Let's get started. First up, we have the Roborock S8 Plus. This vacuum mop combo boasts 6,000 PA of suction power, dual roller brushes, and advanced mapping technology. It's great for deep cleaning and efficiently avoids obstacles. Plus, it has a self-emptying dock. Pros: extremely powerful suction, excellent mopping feature, smart navigation with precise room mapping, self-emptying bin for low maintenance. Cons: higher price compared to basic models. The mopping feature isn't as advanced as the Ecovacs X1 Omni. Next, we have the Roomba J7 Plus, which is perfect for homes with pets. Its AI-powered obstacle detection means it can avoid pet messes, cables, and even socks on the floor. While its 2,500 PA suction power isn't the strongest, it's more than enough for most homes. Pros: best at avoiding clutter and obstacles. Self-emptying base for hassle-free cleaning. Smart mapping adapts to changes in your home. Cons: less suction power than the Roborock S8 Plus. No mopping function. Higher price than budget-friendly models. Finally, we have the Ecovacs Debit X1 Omni, a true all-in-one cleaning system. It features 5,000 PA suction power, a self-cleaning mop station, and even a built-in voice assistant. If you're looking for a premium robot vacuum with high-end automation, this is the one. Pros: self-washing and self-drying mop feature. Strong suction power for deep cleaning. Built-in voice assistant for hands-free control. Cons: one of the most expensive models. Large docking station takes up more space. Slightly louder than the other two models. So, which one should you choose? If you want the best overall vacuum mop combo, the Roborock S8 Plus is a great balance of power and smart features. If you need the best obstacle avoidance for pets and clutter, go for the Roomba J7 Plus. And if you're looking for the ultimate hands-free cleaning experience, the Ecovacs X1 Omni is hard to beat. Let me know in the comments which one you'd pick. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more smart home tech reviews. See you next time.